Tips and tricks for you today. Installing a new front door. This house has had multiple layers of wall differences over the years. So it's 2x4 walls. Normally you would order a 4 9/16. But this house has extra thick walls. So the tip and trick is order a wider jamb. This is for a 2x6 wall, right? 6 9/16 right here. So let's measure the inside of the wall. And as you can see, we got multiple layers, 2 layers of rock and a siding. That's going to give us 4 7/8 instead of 4 9/16. So if we would have got the 4 9/16 jamb, we would have been short. So we'll take the 4 7/8 and we'll rip that jamb down. All right, now that we got the brick mold off, I need to measure from here up to 4 7/8. I'll get out the skill saw. We'll end up cutting this face off almost 2 inches, just under 2 inches. I got to remove here, and then we'll reinstall the brick mold, and then the door's ready to install. So let's get a saw. Alright, now that I've ripped the face off, and now we're down to 4 7/8, we're going to take this brick mold, get this reinstalled back on the door. I always like to start at the bottom, make sure that it's flush where it was. Going to use our angle nailer here. Make sure our reveal is visually the same. All right, I'm going to finish nailing it off, and then we're going to test install. All right, now I got the door test fitted in, and let's take a look at why we cut it down. So the trim will sit flush on the inside of the house there. That is the reason why you trim the door down, to get the right size door to the hole that you have. Now, all I gotta do is finish install and trim it out. Tips and tricks, have a good day.